Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe down below. Yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys how I install this unit from OmgHerHair.com. Girl, do you see this lace? It is non-existent. Okay, like look how see-through that lace is. This is their clean hairline invisible knots, and I got this wig in 20 inches. This is the tight curl wig, and I just want to show you the ends as well to show you that it is coily from roots to end. Okay, so I also wanted to define the curls a bit. I did wash the hair because I wanted the curls to really pop. I didn't want it to look dry. I wanted it to look moisturized and defined. So I'm gonna go in with my wax stick, and as you can see, I did a side part rather instead of a center part. And even though this is a curly wig, I ain't doing no type of wig without my hot comb. Like, you need the hot comb to slick back because that is what's going to give you that effortless scalp-like look. Like, the hot comb is key and essential, even if it's a curly hair. So all you're doing is just flattening the roots. That's it. You're not going to comb it straight through. As you guys can see, like, I comb it a little bit and then I lift it off before it even goes all the way. So now you know. If you don't know, I'm a lazy girl. Okay, I don't like to do the ball cap method because I like to remove my wigs, and I need something that will be light on my edges without the trauma and the tension. So all I do is use a edge control. You can use whatever edge control you want, but I use the EBIN edge control religiously, and I just slick back my edges so that it's not in the way when it's time to install the unit, so that it doesn't come too far down on my forehead because I ain't like that. So because I'm using a light cap, I can't find my brown cap anywhere. I prefer a brown cap, but since I have this light cap, I'm gonna go in with some makeup foundation powder on the lace, not the lace, sorry, on the cap. But I like a brown cap. If you can find a brown cap, it will save you so much time and energy and effort and blend flawlessly. But honey, oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with this lace. OmgHerHair, like, y'all won with this lace. Y'all won truly with this lace because it is ridiculously good. Okay, so I'm just cutting off a little bit of the excess lace that's like a little bit too far down because I want to see what I'm doing when I'm installing this unit. So I do my typical method. Nothing has changed. I cut 2 parts of the lace, then I go in with the EBIN spray, and I just spray that around the perimeter of my hairline. And as I said, I'm using something light that won't harm my edges. So that is the EBIN. Like, it can be removed with water, and I prefer that as opposed to something more aggressive like a ghost bond glue or any type of glue. Like, I prefer to just use the spray. That's my preference. But with this lace, if you're a girl that likes to do the ball cap method and you plan to wear this wig for an extended period of time, I'll say go for the ball cap method because this lace will be melted for the gods. Now for my lazy girls, for the easiest method possible, you use the EBIN spray, then you go in with your blow dryer to melt that down, and it's melted instantly. Then I'm gonna cut around my ear just to make sure that it's laying flat. Now with a lot of wigs, they typically have a widow's peak. This wig didn't have a widow's peak per se, but I felt like it was a little bit too far down on my forehead because I realized with wigs, when it's too down on my forehead, it changes my features some, or I'm not satisfied with how it looks on me. So the best results are the ones that are pushed back to mimic my natural hairline, because the sides of my edges come down towards my eyebrows, and then the middle part is a little bit backwards, and I prefer that because that's my natural feature, right? So then I go in with the EBIN spray on my fingertips as opposed to directly on the lace, and then I dab that on, and then I'm going to use this little elastic band that I got at my beauty supply store to do the tension method, which is using an elastic band, the tightening of the elastic band, to really melt the lace. Then I'm going to go in with this Tresemme serum, and this is what's going to give that shine and prevent frizz of the hair and to keep it looking brand new all night long, because I'm going out to a friend's birthday dinner and I need this hair to not get poofy on me. I want it to stay exactly the same. So I'm just cleaning up my part a bit. I like the natural look of parts because my hair, I don't usually do like like a super clean part. Like I want it to look natural, but you still clean it up a bit. So once I removed the band, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of powder to match my foundation and also to give that blend, so that when I take a picture it won't look too much like a wig around the hair lining. So I'm just trying to darken that as much as I can. Now also you want to be careful with that, because sometimes you tend to over darken it and then it's super obvious. So make sure that you do lightly, do it in stages. Then I want to create some swoop to dupes. Like I can't do wigs without a little swoop, especially a curly hair. Like the swoop just gives it a little bit of flavor. I embrace the swoop. I embrace that 90s baby hair type of look. Like I like it, so I'm gonna do it. But obviously you saw before I did this that the wig can just be worn laid back, but I prefer the swoops in the hair. Now I'm just gonna pluck a little bit, since I did take off some in the front that would be more plucked. So we need to make it less dense in the front. So I did a light plucking, and then I'm gonna go in with the foundation powder as I see fit until I'm satisfied with the entire look. So this is the end look. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. This wig is absolutely beautiful. The lace is flawless. It is giving. Oh my gosh, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok at 𝘽𝙇𝘼𝐻𝐿. And I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.